So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So as per our last discussion in our last video, we will just have a session on the exploded view in Creo Parametric. Okay. So for going to the exploded view, we need to open the assembly first, as we discussed earlier. Then go to the view manager, and this view manager we have the tab of exploit. Okay. So just create the different types of exploded view. Just open the explode tab and just click on the scroll. So we have one tab. So there is a default name. So just we will use as this default name. Again, one time click as a scroll. So it will create a one view. Just go into the edit and edit position. Okay. So we have this assembly. So just click on the part which you want to explode. So after clicking on this part, we have three arrows which will use for the drag the component. So I will drag this to certain position. Again, I will drag this another part to certain position. From this side, from this side. This is the bottom. This is the top side. Part at the top side of it. Okay. So if I represent one of the assembly like this way, so I will just explode on this. Just click on the OK, edit, save. Okay. For the explode and unexploded, just click on the exploded view. So it will come back to its original position. We will click on the exploded view. We will again go to the exploded state. So if you want to create another exploded view in the same assembly, so just click on the again scroll press here. So default second tab is generated. Again scroll press. So repeat the same procedure as we discussed. So in this second exploded view, we just create a different kind of exploded view. So just click on this part. So this will go here. So just example I am using only here. This will go here. This will go top. This will go this side. Any kind of example we have. Just click on the OK. Edit, save. Okay. So see, if we click on the exploded view 1, we have our first assembly. If we click on the exploded view 2nd, we have second exploded view. And if we click on the unexploded view, so it will come back to again our original position.